Hello and welcome to The Wire now at The Correspondent. आज हम बात करेंगे पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी एट लार्ज एंड स्टॉक मार्केट इन पर्टिकुलर, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान की स्टॉक मार्केट ने पिछले 4 माह के अंदर यानी अप्रैल 1 से लेकर जुलाई 31 तक तकरीबन 3.7 अरब डॉलर का नुकसान किया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटलाइजेशन. Investors are spooked. There is zero sense of stability, and stock market has posted a loss of about 3.7. That is $4 billion in 4 months. The major reason why? Political uncertainty, because there is no political ownership. The governments are coming, the governments are going. एक पार्टी की हुकूमत आती है तो दूसरी पार्टी की हुकूमत आती है. इमरान खान की गवर्नमेंट गिराई जाती है तो कभी हमजा शहबाज की गवर्नमेंट पंजाब के अंदर गिराई जाती है. Therefore, investors are losing their plot. Investors are losing their interest. Investors are facing vast form of losses. Investors have lost their capital. Political ownership is zero. पिछले 4 माह के अंदर रेगुलेटर की जानिब से, फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री की जानिब से, the Prime Minister himself has not given a single bailout package, a support mechanism for the stock market. State-owned enterprises which have huge weightage on the index have been giving out minimalistic return in terms of dividends, have been showing depleting value of their stocks. And the government is nowhere, the regulator is nowhere to support or introduce some kind of supporting mechanism to the stock market. Stock market पिछले 4 माह से खबरों की ज़ीनत बनी हुई. Stock market is in a free fall. Stock market is in a bloodbath. Stock market crash कर गई है. But कहीं भी रेगुलेटर ने, कहीं भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, कहीं भी फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से स्टॉक मार्केट को रेस्क्यू करने का प्लान नहीं दिया गया. पाकिस्तान की नेबरिंग कंट्री इंडिया के अंदर भी स्टॉक मार्केट उनकी जो निफ्टी है हैज बीन पोस्टिंग ट्रिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस वर्थ ऑफ लॉसेस. बट अगर एक दिन 14 ट्रिलियन या 2 दिन के अंदर तकरीबन 14-15 ट्रिलियन रुपए का लॉस बुक करती थी तो अगले दिन वो 6-7 ट्रिलियन का रिकवरी भी बुक करती थी. पाकिस्तान स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर देयर हैज बीन नो ओनरशिप व्हेन इट कम्स टू द रेगुलेटर, व्हेन इट कम्स टू द स्टॉक मार्केट्स रेगुलेटर themselves. Other than political uncertainty, there have been other major reasons of why stock market has been performing that badly. One of the major reasons is delayed in IMF bailout package, where Pakistan is expecting $1.2 billion tranche from the IMF, but because of political uncertainty, lack of political ownership, and zero confidence in Pakistan's government, the IMF is delaying its $1.2 billion package. Secondly, inflation. Pakistan's inflation has touched 21%, which is about 13 years highest inflation number that has been recorded. There is no sense of relief or at least a plan of direction to rescue Pakistan's macroeconomic indicators. Then we have interest rate hike. State Bank of Pakistan ने सितंबर 2021 से जुलाई 2020 तक तकरीबन 8% शरह सूद के अंदर इजाफा कर दिया है. और जुलाई के अंदर और आज भी पाकिस्तान का जो इंटरेस्ट रेट है is its highest, is at its peak, which is 15%. This number has not been seen in its past history ever. MSCI downgrade का खदशा भी पाकिस्तान स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर इन्वेस्टर्स को अनसर्टेनिटी और इंस्टेबिलिटी का इशारा देती रही है. Rupee devaluation has been another reason why stock market has been in a free fall, because investors' return, especially foreign investors' return, have been exacerbating over the time. January 1st से 31 जुलाई तक पाकिस्तान की जो करेंसी है वो तकरीबन 30% अपनी वैल्यू लूज कर चुकी है अगेंस्ट द डॉलर. Whereas currently, in the recent past, the rupee has been posting some recovery. That would be our point of discussion in another video, how economy has been overridden. And that would be a very interesting topic, because we're going to talk about Bajwanomics and how that is going to steer the course of future economy of Pakistan. And then again, political uncertainty. The questions are, why did the regulator, why did the finance minister, or why did the prime minister allowed or let the stock market into a free fall? Why was there no ownership onto how to rescue your own investors, how to rescue the investment hub? Because investment hub के अंदर 3.7 अरब डॉलर का नुकसान हुआ है, that 1.2 billion dollars to which inflation हमने increase कर दी, हमने prices increase कर दी, हमने oil prices, पाकिस्तान की domestic petrol prices are at their highest in the country, just because we were supposed to appease the IMF को appease करते करते उन 1.2 अरब डॉलर के हसूल के पीछे we forgot about a stock market which has lost around $4 billion, and those $4 billion recovery is hardly a reality, because once the investors have lost the stability, once the investors have lost their capital, there is no capital coming in for future investments, because that capital is lost. Secondly, with this kind of highest interest rate, capital generation cost is above the roof, and there is no chance that there is going to be another range of capital coming into the stock market to rescue this benchmark in order to revive Pakistan's stock market to glory. Therefore, stock markets crash, stock markets stability must be taken very seriously by all the stakeholders, be it the regulators, be it the Prime Minister, be it the Finance Minister, because they need to understand the gravity of the losses. Because so far, because they do not have any interest, they did not attempt to rescue the stock market. Therefore, it was ownerless. The investors did not know where to go. Therefore, a free fall. Therefore, billions of dollars lost. And the only reason why it happened was because of political uncertainty. And it is not a secret anymore. Political uncertainty is rattling Pakistan's economy, and there is no way out anymore.